When we first moved here, almost 11 years ago now, we needed a furnace. Our air conditioner went out right after we moved in, and we thought, wow, brand new condo. So we called Cardinal, and they came in and they serviced it. They were honest about what needed to be done. They didn't, add a bunch of extra costs. They gave us some tips on what to do, how to prevent that in the future. Something broke in one of the downstairs pipes that went across our unfinished area, and we had water everywhere. And when the people came in to replace and help get everything fixed up, the gentleman was actually helping us move boxes and everything. I mean, it's so accommodating, and anytime we call for a question, we'll be right over. They are absolutely awesome, and we honestly have not had a bad tech, and they are so accommodating. The first thing at the door, they're so polite. First thing at the door is they ask, should I take my shoes off? Should I put on booties, whatever. And then they tell you when they're going out to the vehicles, when they're coming back in, they explain every step of the way. We have never had a bad experience with Cardinal. On one time, something didn't fit right or wasn't right, they were back immediately. On one phone call, and they were right there, and they had it fixed. No service call, it was excellent service. We've never had a bad call with them.